6 Weather is brought to you by Aztec Chevrolet in Beeville. Visit AztecAutoplex.com. Now, the most accurate weather forecast in South Texas with Chief Meteorologist Dale Nelson.
Hi everybody, welcome back. A beautiful evening underway, but a cold one with a gorgeous sunset on our Skycam looking off to the west, so it's really nice outside. As we take a look at your Aztec Chevrolet forecast, it's going to be cold here tonight with temperatures already in the low 50s, and we'll be dropping into the 40s here rather quickly. We were 19 degrees colder than this time last night, so the front has done its damage as far as bringing our temperatures from spring-like levels yesterday and near 80 degrees back into the 50s for highs today. Dew point temperatures are very low, and that means some very dry air is positioned over the region. Our dew point temperature is 29 degrees less than this time yesterday. Beeville is 39 degrees less. Big drop there. Evening forecast takes us on into the upper 40s by 9 o'clock. We'll be down into the low 40s by midnight and on into the mid 30s by morning. As you can see here, 35 degrees at 6 a.m. That's as far as this goes. The low will actually happen shortly after sunrise around 7:30 in the morning. Yes, after sunrise, not before, with these light winds that are now just 7 miles an hour. So it's going to be a cold night. I wouldn't be surprised if there's a few further inland areas north and west of Corpus Christi that don't see a freeze in the morning, a light freeze. So tender plants, you can water them and get them by for the night, and your pets need to be protected in the garage, in the house, anything to give them a little shelter. With these light winds, though, there'll be plenty of radiational cooling going on, and then during the day tomorrow, our winds switch to the warmer, more humid side at 5 p.m., but very light, under 10 miles an hour. Here comes the reinforcing cool air here on Friday morning. That'll just maintain our temperatures for Friday afternoon, and then the winds will start turning northeasterly on Saturday in response to a disturbance coming in from the southwest. So cool now as the radiational cooling takes place with the light winds and clear skies, and the heat radiates up into the atmosphere. What little we have left will make for a cold night in the coastal bend, where temperatures here will drop anywhere from the mid to low 40s along the immediate coast on Padre and Mustang Island to 34 degrees in Corpus Christi, and maybe a light freeze in here inland. I'm calling for 33 in Beeville and George West. Here comes the cold air on the backside of the front. Came in about 2 a.m. last night, marching through the Gulf of Mexico with showers and thunderstorms in the deep south and rain in the Ohio Valley with snow in the upper Great Lakes. Here's the next front that'll be in here Friday morning, racing south on the heels of this jet stream. So there's the upper level low. There's the flow out of the northwest. So initially it's going to stay dry here tomorrow and Friday, and then a disturbance will approach beyond that. So with the cold air coming in, again, temperatures will be down in the 30s tonight, and I think the third lowest temperature of the season. That will go away during the day tomorrow. By the time we get to Friday, a little bit of cloud cover, but not much with that little front. But here comes the rain here on Saturday afternoon up from the south. And again, temperatures 44 below zero in Hudson Bay. That air headed south, and another piece of Arctic air, even stronger, comes in next week on Tuesday. Here's your NEC Co-op Energy 7-day forecast. 34 tonight, 66 nice tomorrow, 44 and 65 still looking good on Friday. Then 67 and showers developing, especially late in the day Saturday into Sunday morning with that front. Then it clears up a little bit Sunday afternoon and 65. 70 on Monday, mild, then turning windy and cold with temperatures dropping to near freezing here next Wednesday morning. So a wild ride, Lee. It's going to be cold tonight and again the middle of next week.